Good evening, students. Today we will discuss the remaining chapter 7, coordinate geometry of class 10th. These are the 6 questions of coordinate geometry, in which the first one is question number first is, if A and B are mans 2 and 2 mans 4 respectively, find the coordinate of P such that AP is equal to 3 by 7 times AB. This means this is A, this is B. If we take P here, coordinate of A is mans 2, and coordinate of B is 2 mans 4. We have given AP is equal to 3 by 7 AB. When we cross multiply this, 7 AP is equal to 3 AB. As from figure, we know AB is AP plus BP. This means 7 AP equals to 3 AP plus 3 BP. When we subtract, we get 4 AP equal to 3 BP. This means AP upon BP is 3 upon 4. This means this ratio is 3:4. Then by section formula, x is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2. 6 mans 8 by 7, that is mans 2 by 7, and y is equal to m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2. Mans 12, mans 8, that is mans 20 by 7. This means coordinate of point P are mans 2 by 7 and mans 20 by 7. In question number second, the statement is, find the coordinate of point which divides the line joining into 4 equal parts. We have these two coordinates of A and coordinates of B. We are required to divide this line into 4 equal parts. For this, first we divide this line into 2 equal parts. For this, C is the midpoint of AB. This means coordinate of C are x1 plus x2 divided by 2, y1 plus y2 upon 2. This means 0, 10, 5. This means coordinate of C are 0 and 5. Again we divide AC in 2 equal parts. For this, D is the midpoint of AC. Then coordinate of D are x1 plus x2 upon 2, y1 plus y2 upon 2. This means mans 1 and 7 by 2. Same E is the midpoint of PC. So coordinate of E are x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 upon 2. This means 1 and 13 upon 2. These are the 4 coordinates, and this line is divided into 4 equal parts. In third question, the statement is, find the area of rhombus of its vertex are. Vertex of rhombus are, first is 3, 0, second is 4, 5, third is mans 1, 4, and last one is mans 2, mans 1. This is the rhombus. All 4 sides are equal. These are the diagonals A, B, C, D. As we know, area of rhombus is equal to 1 upon 2 into product of diagonals. This means 1 upon 2 AC into BD. First we find AC by using distance formula. A and C, that is x2 means x1 whole square plus y2 means y1 whole square. This means 4 square 16 plus 16. This is root 32 which equals to 4 root 2. Then BD is equal to x2 means x1 whole square, y2 means y1 whole square. 6 square is 36 plus 36. This means 72. This is 6 root 2. So area of rhombus is 1.2 4 under root 2 into 6 root 2. This cancel out. 12 into 2. This means 24 square units. In question number 4th, 5th and 6th, that is area of triangle. First of all, we find area of triangle. For this, let us consider a triangle ABC. Suppose that coordinate of A is x1, y1, coordinate of B is x2, y2, C is x3, y3. We always know that area of triangle is always positive. This means if in this question we have negative answer, then we take it as positive because area is always positive. For area of triangle, as we know, area of triangle is 1 by 2 base into height. For this question 1.2, we use simple formula, that is first we write coordinate of A, then we write coordinate of B, then we write coordinate of C, then again repeat coordinate of A. That's x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3, then x1, y1. Multiply this means x1, y2. Then in between sign is negative, x2, y1 plus this is x2, y3. This is means x3, y2 plus x3, y1 means x1, y3. This is the formula for area of triangle. We use only this. For example, question number 4, the coordinate of A are 2, 3, B is means 1, 0, C is 2, means 4. Then area of triangle. Area of triangle ABC equals to 1.2. First we write coordinate of A, then B, then C, then again A. Multiply this, we get 0, means plus 3. Multiply this, we get 4. Multiply this, means 0 plus multiply this, we get plus 8. That is 1.2, 3 plus 4 plus 14. This means 21, that is 10.5 square unit is the area of triangle. In the same way, the second part is, in second part, vertex of A is means 5, means 1, B is 3, means 5, C is 5, 2. Then area of triangle ABC is 1.2, coordinate of A are means 5, means 1, B, then C, then again A. Multiply this, we get 25 plus 3. When we multiply this, we get 6 plus 25. When we multiply this, we get means 5 plus 10. That is 1.2, 28 plus 31 plus 5. This means this equals to 28 plus 36. That is 1.2, 64. That is 32 square unit is the area of triangle. Also remember, 3 points are collinear. Collinear means lie on a line if area of triangle is 0. In question number 5th, part 1, quadrant of A, B and C. In this question we are required to find A so that these 3 points are lie on a line that is collinear. Remember, points are collinear if area of triangle is equal to 0. This means area of triangle is 1.2, coordinate of A, B, then C, then again A. Multiply this, we get 7. Multiply this, we get 10 plus 5k, and we multiply this mains 3 plus mains 6 mains 7k. This is equals to 0. 1.2 multiply 0 equal to 0. 17 5k mains 3 6 mains 7k. 17 mains 9 8 mains 2k equals to 0. This means 2k equals to 8 and k is equal to 4. This is the value of k. Part coordinate of A are 8 1, B are k mains 4, C 2 mains 5. As we know, these points are collinear, so area of triangle ABC equals to 0. 1.2, coordinate of A are 8 1, B are k mains 4, 2 mains 5, 8 1. This is the simple way. Mains 32 mains k plus this is mains 5k plus 8. This is 2 plus 40 equals to 0. This 2 multiply 0 0. Mains 2 mains k mains 5k plus 8 plus 42. This means 50, then 18 6k. 18 is equal to 6k, then k is equal to 3. This is the value of k. In question number 6, the statement is find the area of triangle formed by joining the midpoint of the sides of triangle whose vertices are. This means we have a triangle. Triangle is A, B, C. Coordinate of A are 0 mains 1, B are 2 1, C 0 3. First, we find the midpoint of these sides. This means this is the midpoint D, this is midpoint E, this is midpoint F. When we join these 3 points, we get triangle DEF. For this, we use midpoint formula, that is x1 plus x2. It's 2 plus 0 divided by 2. This is equal to 1. 1 means 1. This is 0. This means the midpoint of AB is 1 0. Same midpoint of BC, 2 plus 0 upon 2 1. 1 plus 3 4. 4 divided by 2. This is the midpoint of BC. Midpoint of AC is 0 1. These are the coordinate of midpoint of AB, BC and CA. We are required to find area of triangle DEF. For this, 1.2, coordinate of D 10, E 12, F 01, 10. When we multiply this, we get 2 mains 0 plus 1 mains 0 plus 0 mains 1. This means 1.2, 2 plus 1 means 1. Cancel out 1 square unit. This is the half question. Find the ratio of this area of this triangle to the given. First, we find the area of given triangle. That is area of triangle ABC, which is equal to 1.2. Coordinate of A are 0 means 1, B is 2 1, C is 0 3, 0 means 1. When we multiply this, we get 0 plus 2, then 6 means 0, 0 means 0. This means 1.2, that's 8, 4 square units. This means area of triangle DEF divided by area of triangle ABC equals to 1 by 4. That is 1:4. 4. This is the solution of question number 6. This I think 2 or 3 more questions of this chapter are remaining. We will discuss in the next video. Do this chapter very carefully because it contains lots of marks, easy marks. This chapter is very easy. It is these questions are in the exam are sure, and you will get marks from this chapter maximum. Thanks.